watching a master at work.
Alright, so here's the E46. I'm kind of looking at the mounts from DR Concepts, and it's the lower here that you put on. I don't know what this is for. I might just buy a bolt, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. But it's a 21 mil with a little center Allen, so I'm gonna get those put in. And yeah, just kind of doing work a little bit at a time as I can. Alright guys, so today on the BMW we're going to try and do a manual swap as far as the pedals and stuff. So as you can see, this is an auto car, and I'm just going to kind of go off of what I know. So it seems pretty simple. So I'm going to start taking this stuff out. Now we're going to look at the differences. Let's see. So this is the auto pedal. I'm pretty sure I need to take this off for my pedal. So I need to actually film this. So this is the sensor that goes with the spring. The spring goes onto the pedal. Bolts into the side, and then that's the sensor, that's the clip. Alright, let's do it. Alright everybody, yeah, this is in there. Just need to figure out the tranny mount because this is a different chassis. It's an XI versus a, what you call it, I. So got all the stuff here just kind of piggly jigglied on there. I need to figure it out. Need to figure out these Chinese exhaust manifolds. Pretty close, so we might have to just bend them a little bit and weld them. It's pretty good. Fits alright. As you can see. So we need to figure out like a Z4 radiator, or where to put the turbo. I'm thinking over here. Just go from there. And then get her started. Yeah.